Transform static shots into captivating narratives by making your elements dance with your video's action using CapCut's powerful tracking feature. Let's dive into how to unlock this awesome capability first. Open your CapCut project and select the clip you want to work within. Tap on the Add Overlay button. Choose the video, photo, or sticker you want to attach to your moving subject. For this tutorial, we'll add a fun emoji as an overlay. Once your overlay is added, position it where you want it to start on the timeline. Now, here's the magic. Tap on your overlay clip to select it. You'll see a toolbar appear at the bottom. Find and tap on the tracking option. CapCut will now present you with a tracking interface. You'll see a tracking box that you need to position precisely over the object you want to follow in your video. Drag and resize the tracking box to perfectly enclose your target. For instance, if you want to track a car, make sure the box is snug around it. Once you're happy with the placement, tap the Start Tracking button. CapCut will now analyze your video and calculate the movement of the tracked object. As it processes, you'll see the overlay automatically move to follow the object's path. And just like that, your overlay is now perfectly synchronized with your subject's motion. You can adjust the position of the tracked overlay at any keyframe if minor corrections are needed. Experiment with different overlays like text, other videos, or even animated GIFs for truly dynamic results. Mastering this feature opens up a world of creative possibilities, from adding subtitles that follow speech to creating engaging visual effects that interact with your footage. Give it a try and make your videos truly come alive.